Hi, I'm from Barcelona and I develop an Android app that is basically a game. This game is the Simon, and the Simon is basically an old game that consists in repeat the colors in the same sequence, trying to don't make any mistake.
This app is an it's made with Rat Studio Berlin, and has basically few screens using an tab control that lets show the menu and the main screen of the game, the levels, and the different screens that are composed the game. Um, Basically, I think the most interesting part of the programming this app is basically two things. The first one is the multiplier area, and the second one is the height score. And of course, the basic function of the game instead. For multiplayer part, I've used the control, this one, the TMS MQTT protocol for make very simple layer for the communication between two different devices. And I think the other part of the interesting, I think it's interesting. It's just the cloud, the TMS, my data cloud .net, for record, for save the database with the height score of the people. Now let me show how it works.
In my app, there was basically two game options, one player option and multiplayer option. And of course, there was the typical options that you can find in this kind of apps: settings, instructions, statistics, height score, rate this app, and rate this app, share this app, and more apps from me. Basically consists in repeat the sequence, and the one player option has some stages, and this stage has each stage has some levels, and each level consists in one more difficult thing. In this case, level 2, there was a variant of the game that consists in the boxes appears in different color each time. For example, if you do it very fast, you can get more stars, and you can use these stars for advanced stage by stage. Multiplayer game consists basically in when click here, you have to connect with the other device. For connect, you have to enter the other player code, or the other player must to enter your code. For example, if here I enter the smartphone code 7022845, and now I tell them connect. Now the tablet is waiting for the other device. When I tell them connect, they connect, and here's the role play here, and here you can define the options of the game, how many squares, shields, attacks you want to play, start game, and now the tablet shows the information, and when you tell them play, the device are waiting for the other one, and when you click here, you can select the button you want, and it's repeated here. And now you can select the other one. If you make some mistakes, you are using the shields. And now if you don't wait anything, you lose. And here there was information of the play. Then you can play again if you need or you want. And that's all. Thank you.